Romania signed a contract worth $321 million for the supply of Bayraktar TB2 UCAV. According to the Romanian General's statement, deliveries will start soon. In April 2023, Romania and Turkey signed a contract worth $321 million for the purchase of 18 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles, 6 systems of 3 unmanned aerial vehicles each, that will equip the Romanian Land Forces. Also in December 2022, the Romanian Ministry of National Defense and Israeli Elbit Systems signed a contract to purchase 21 Watchkeeper X drones, 7 systems, each consisting of 3 drones and a command center, for the Romanian Army. Major General Teodor Incicaș, head of the General Directorate of Armaments of the Ministry of Defense of Romonia, confirmed that work is progressing on the delivery of Bayraktar TB2 UCAVs. Incicaș said, "Bayraktar program started this year. The first deliveries will be made starting next year," he said. On the other hand, General Incicaș said that Romania could have its own unmanned aerial vehicles and also touched upon the UAV development project initiated by Romania for distances up to 100 kilometers. Thus, Romania wants to have its own production unmanned aerial vehicles as a result of research carried out at the Military Techniques and Technologies Research Agency. "I will not hide from you that we are currently in the final testing phase of these aircraft and we hope that they will be approved by the end of the year and then put into production," Incicaș said. "Hopefully it will be Romanian companies who will produce the locally developed drone. We will organize a production procedure based on the documents provided by the Military Techniques and Technologies Research Agency," he said.